Urigi mwiroreri ndage kunyita ugeni guku thiini wa Kikuyu Star TV na tugithie na mbere na ndeto yake makona Maìthorì ni ati DJ Tripple uria gwa kahinda gaka akiri kuria mwena wa India ni agikitie ikaya riake kuri a Kenya haria agikiugite ati ni agikoretwo agikwamite kuria mwena wa India. Gutiganiryo DJ Tripple agithire kuria gugikorwo agikwo kidney transplant kuona ati ni akiri na kidney failure. Mundu ugutwo DJ Tripple agikitie ritana haria page yake ya Facebook agaitariria ati maundu ti mega kuona ati akiri kuria mwena wa India ni akigereire mathina maingi. Akiandikite agaikiuga atiriri haria page yake ya Facebook: Good morning fam, I am stuck here in India since I'm unable to clear my hospital bill, which has arrears of up to 590,000. I also have house rent that I need to clear so that I can go home. I completed my follow-up clinics 2 weeks ago now. As we speak, I barely have any money to buy the medicine I need to keep my kidney function. I am afraid I might lose it in the next few days if I doesn't get drugs soon. I really need your help right now to help me get the drugs I need as well as clear my debt so that I can come home. Please send your support through 0712383479. Ritwa akagikiuga ni Peter Karanja Kamau na gaikorwo ageta Karangwa wa Muraya o hamwe na Betty wa Macharia na gaikiuga atiriri help me come home please. Koguo ri ucio ni DJ Tripple agikiuga ati agikwamite kure bururi-ini wa India na agikiuga ati bili ya thibitari igikinyite 590 na oho agikiuga ati ona rent ya hoteli ire aragikorwo agikikara ndakiri nayo. Na oho ndeto yake hamakiria ri agikiugite ati ona mbeca cia gugikorwo akigura ndawa ndakiri nacio na agikiuga ati ageni na few days kana thiku nini atakiri na ndawa ici ati kidney ciake ciahota gugikorwo cigicokera thina uria cirakiri naguo na cigikorwo cigitiga gugikorwo cikiruta wira. Oho ni agikitie ritana kuri Karangwa wa Muraya o hamwe na Betty wa Macharia. Oho ri iyo irakire post ya thiku inya hetuku muthenya wa umuthi. Oho DJ Tripple ni agikiandikire o rigi na agikorwo agitarira ati maundu ni moru makiria. Akiandikite agaikiuga atiriri we really need your help guys, things are not good at all. The hotel management is threatening to kick us out of the room because of the rent arrears. The hospital is on our neck about the balance. Please support us in any way you can so we come back home. Karangwa wa Muraya bro, I need your help. Betty wa Macharia sees mambo si mzuri. Koguo ucio ni mundu uwekene ta DJ Tripple haria agikiugite ati maundu ni magithukite makiria ati kuona ati management ya hoteli ire maragikoma magiikara irakenda gugikorwo ikimaikia nja kuona ati matiragikorwo makiriha rent. Oho ni agikiugite ati ona thibitari ani urakenda mbeca ciao niguo magikorwo makirekererio makorwo magicoka guku bururi-ini wa Kenya. Ni agikoretwo akihoya uteithio kuri Karangwa wa Muraya o hamwe na mundu uwikaine ta Betty wa Macharia. Kudirikania ati mundu ugutwa DJ Tripple agikorwo agithie kuria mwena wa India thibitari kuri last year 2023 mweri wa November tariki 25. Kuma guku kwa Kikuyu Star TV tugakihoya aria makiri na uhoti magikorwo magiteithĩrĩria DJ Tripple akihote gugikorwo agicoka guku bururi-ini wa Kenya. Ngina kaida kangiri guku ni kwa Kikuyu Star TV.